Hello guys, yeah, I'm playing with Matita. Matita.
Hi guys.
Say hello.
Hi. Say hello.
Hi.
So we are both recording in one cell phone, and we want to play Agarai Tower. This one. Let's play.
I'm gonna join her. Where the hell is her account?
So now
There.
I'm playing.
Agaray Tower. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me, please.
Where is the top?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, what are they selling? Oh, I got no Robux.
Look, I am a member.
She's a member?
Yes.
Wait for me.
I'm one of the member of the.
I'm not a member.
Of the community. Sorry guys, I don't know how to play the wall hack.
I am speed running as fast as I freaking can. Ah!
Kamay!
I'm gonna do the what's up again.
This is my first time doing
People
the
like
wall hack.
watching people suffering. Like I do. Yo!
No!
Damn!
So I'm already here, guys.
Because I'm already suffering from this.
Where are you, bro?
But frick! Again! What's up is so easy. Except the, you know.
Hey, Briggs.
Oh! Wait for me!
No! I
You
forgot
died?
to jump. No.
Oh, heck! You both died. Wait, we race. We're gonna race. We're gonna race.
No.
Yes. For content, people like racing.
Okay.
Okay, three. Oh wait! Come back!
I'm slow.
I'm still not. Okay, I'm gonna give you a head start.
I'm just a beginner. So please. I'll go first. I don't even know how to play the wall hop. See? You're already ano sa taas. Sa kagad. No!
I'm still gonna die anyways.
Hindi naman talaga ako marunong mag-English. Hindi siya ang
I know how to English.
Di ba?
I learned from YouTube. YouTube.
Because I am a member of their community. I forgot what community is, but
Just not big games.
oh no.
I'm just gonna be paid to win.
I want to use the jetpack, but I don't have Robux to use it.
I'm hurrying. I hate it.
After this, do you want
Yes!
to play the Paramian Tower?
What's that?
It's like
Frick. Damn. Good at
Or do you want to play that na? Okay, wait lang.
No!
No, this one. It's fun than this.
Look at how far I am. Okay, we're gonna play another game.
This one. Pyramida.
Okay.
Pyramid Tower.
Does it have, a little bit of wall hop?
Let's open the door.
I hope so. Okay, let's go. Hey, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna give you a head start. I'm gonna give you a head start. I'm gonna give give you a head start. Just go, man. Go, I'm gonna give you a head start. Go. Mm-hmm. Bro, what? Did somebody slap me? Okay, I'm going.
No! No, no, no.
That's dumb. You're literally dumb.
You're not like it.
Oh, wow.
If it's a race, then ayoko na.
It is a race.
Sige, sige, nakapass na siya. I'm still here. Okay, I'm just going to jump right here. And
Hey, I'm in front again.
this is my favorite.
Not me.
Oh, I died!
Oh, this is a cactus. A cactus.
I thought it was a something like.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a head start again. Hurry,
I'm
hurry,
hungry, bro.
hurry.
I want to buy a toy.
Just don't fall.
No!
I said don't fall! Oh wow, I died. Just because of this? Okay.
So yun na nga guys.
Oh wow, this is
Wala
a
pa na
huge
kami
pyramid.
tomorrow. Di ba wala tayo tomorrow? Bro, karami na.
Yeah.
Huwag na tayo mag-game. Or gusto mo talaga mag-game?
She used her last jetpack. Hurry up and don't fall. Okay. Ouch.
No! Well,
Oh. I'm dumb.
also guys,
Nice.
we will not upload tomorrow's because we're at the mall practicing hip hop.
I will only post Sunday to month. Wait, no. I will only post Saturday or Sunday. Maybe. Wait, no. I will post Monday.
Okay, I'll post
Monday.
me Monday, Wednesday, and Friday and Sunday of course. Forget
I don't know. I will post every day, I guess,
every day.
if I can.
I'll try.
Me too. I'm gonna try. I don't know what I'm gonna play. What the hell are you doing? It's so easy, except for the health. Bro, you're literally behind. I literally gave you a head start. Oh, hell no. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. No, no.
I'm stuck, bro.
What? How?
Look. Look, I'm stuck, bro.
I don't wanna.
How?
Let me see now. Bro, what? Reset. People don't know how to play, literally. Hey! Oh yes! I passed!
Okay, so guys, I already saw bricks. No! Sige.
What? Pamalo? Oh, hello. How did you get past me?
Hi, bricks. I already saw you.
How did you get past? Oh, wait. The jetpack.
You let me go.
The jetpack?
No! I didn't use a jetpack, bro.
Oh. Oh, this is the thing you were talking about. Oh, that. Ah,
I don't
frick.
have that much Robux to buy.
There's literally free jetpack here.
Where? Let me see.
Oh wait, you didn't. Oh wait, I gave you a head start. You also didn't die.
Okay, I fell.
This is so easy. Where are you? Where are you? Oh,
No, I fell
I'm
again!
lagging. Oh wait, look at this. Nice. 3, 2, 1, yo! I'm just kidding, it's easy. What the? Bro, what the? Oh, easy. What the? How am I gonna get past this?
So that's
I'm dead!
here.
Wait, I gotta use the jetpack for this.
Yeah, sure.
You're in the lead right now, but I'm gonna show you the power. Bro, what the hell is he doing?
No, bro! I fell again. You have one free jet.
I have one free jetpack, but I also gotta use it.
No, but
Everyone, oh wait, I'm lagging. Oh,
I don't know, guys. Why am I always? I'm not even.
okay.
Now, where are you?
Hello, I'm down here. I died
No.
because of the thing, you know. Oh wait, I'm not stuck.
So you didn't know where I am today.
What the hell am I?
So nasa pinakababa si Brooks. Pwede siya mamatay.
Did you
I hate
press
this
the-
part, bro!
I hate the many. What? Nice. Ah! Why is this like growing garden?
Of course, bro.
Just because of the, you know, cactuses.
No, I hate cactus, bro.
Well, I love cactuses.
Okay, fine.
It's one of the many reasons why I got rich.
Cactus?
Yes,
No, I
because
fell.
one of my cactus that I already sold is worth 100
Yes, they want to
million.
play grow a garden.
Where did you live? Oh wait. Oh, well, I still need more grow a garden
Okay,
videos,
ito.
so bye.
Leaning tower. I'll be doing
Oh, okay.
Okay, join me.
You play. What?
Pilipigyan na tayo ba ito?
Ouch.
Okay, this is yung bata. Kapag na nga po mami.
Sorry, mama. updates.
Let me just
Up! Bye, Tata. Bye-bye. Ako na ako sa'yo. Kita sa likod. Hello! Hello, Tata.
where are you?
Up here! Up here! Oh!
Kasi guys, sobrang sarap. Kasi guys, if I could see, ay na makita ko ang
Hi, Tata!
bagong
Hi!
pero
Up here! Up here! Oh.
Mas hindi na ano, so that's why I'm so
Frick! Oh, where's my tito?
slept for 14 hours to make that. No!
Where are you now? I'm gonna find you. Up here! Hello! Okay. Sige. Nanonood ka ba? Okay. Hindi, tinatanong ko lang. Kasi hindi ba pwede, ha? Hello. Hello, Tata. Nalaglag ka bigla. Ay. Angel shot. Whee! Saan ka na ba?
Bakit ko na?
Oh,
Wait lang, pinanila
di ako makakita. Ayun.
Wait lang. Uy, ba't may foil ka?
Hindi talaga yun gumagana. Pero kung why? Teka, hintayin kita dito.
Asa ka ba? Teka, anong phone tong gamit? Paalis na ako rito. Pupunta sa...
Hurry up! Hurry! Here! I think it's John.
Alis mo.
Here. Let's go. Oh, hell na!
Tulag ko na naman?
Yeah. I'm coming. I'm back. Go! Whee! I love this. This is where I'm now. Oh wait, this is why I fall down. So be careful. 3, 2, 1. Whee! Bro! Oh. Oh, dito. Here. Here! Help! Oh no! Wait for me, wait for me. Freak!
Nalaglag ka, wala yun.
Nalaglag ako dun sa nalaglag ako. Nalaglag ako 2 times. What the hell is Poop Tower? Teka. Hindi mo gumagana yung ano eh. Speed ko yung... Why?
Kulo mo na yung ano ko, yung...
Teka.
Oh, big signal.
I'm coming! Frick!
I really want to make a game.
Frick!
I'm actually looking for a
Wait, Tata, wait.
Dito. Mayroon dito.
Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Oh, wow!
Nandito naman.
Ang layo! Yung napuntahan ko.
Ako na nga.
Di! Accident lang kasi. Accidents happens. Happens. Buti! Oh, what? Hey! Okay. What? Oh, sinabi mo, wait mo ako.
Ano ginagawa ko? Sige nga.
Umalis ka na.
Gumagano ako ba?
Live na nga tayo. Bye-bye.